104.9 today's country, KAGH. Sometimes all you need is a boat. And me, Russ Miller, here on your radio to get things going on yet another day. Playing your favorites and getting ready for Armadillo Festival number 53 this weekend. Get ready and stay tuned for more details here on the Miller Morning Show.
Good morning. Coming soon, the 53rd annual world famous Armadillo Festival.
So, Armadillo Festival week is here. Now, if you see us broadcasting live at the festival and you're going to see coverage right here on the MT and Me in next week's video, they'll be showing you all the fun going on. What you don't see is all the prep that goes into it. The week before, getting schedules lined out, getting equipment together, getting everything arranged, paperwork. My goodness, there's paperwork, getting commercials ready, all kinds of stuff. That means this week is real busy. More busy than usual. So as a result, I don't have all the time I'd like to work on Pearl. Now, I am going to get some work done, so you can stay tuned for that. But it may be a bit short video-wise this week, since we do have a pretty big festival coming up, all right?
We are professional grade.
Of course we are. It's 21 minutes after 6 o'clock. A little patchy fog this morning, otherwise a mostly sunny day coming up. Afternoon high reaching 88, southeast wind at 5. Increasing clouds tonight with a low of 65. Chance of showers again on Thursday with temperatures up around 80. Let's jump ahead to Saturday, Armadillo Day. 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday, mainly in the afternoon, otherwise mostly sunny and a high of 85. Maybe we'll get through this all right. Fingers are crossed, as always. Currently, mostly clear and cross it in 61. What can I say? I'm a busy man. But I'll make time for you every week here on the MT and Me. All right, my nomies, welcome back to the MT and Me. We're inside Pearl once again. Like I just told you, this is going to be kind of a short week, so it may be a short video, but I've got something I really want to try and accomplish, and that, of course, is dealing with these bolts that are on the ceiling that we've got to get out. But I have a very special helper over here to give me some extra special advice and assistance today. So, let's see if we can find her. Hi, Abby. I just wish for you and you appear. You're like a little genie here, right? And my, how you've grown all of a sudden. Did you have a growth spurt or something?
Let's go with Orson.
You do have a birthday coming up. So, yeah. So, but anyway, it's good to have you back. And since I've got you here, I want to get your opinion on these. You know, we talked about, I showed you these little bolts here in the ceiling before. And, yeah, this one, what's the other one? Oh, way back here, yeah. Let's get 2, 3, and 4, way back there. All right, well, those have got to come out. Tell me, you're a going to school, educated young lady. How would you take them out? Beat them until they come out.
That's probably not going to be the only thing that comes out, but at least they'll be out.
Well, I've got a couple of ideas here. One of them is to go in and cut these heads off and then take a hammer and beat them out. So you're half right. You're a lot closer to having an idea there than you think. But What I want to try first is to see if we...
Sometimes it's just good.
Yeah. Is to see if we can go on the top of Pearl here and maybe loosen them and actually take them out. I don't know why, but it just seems like an idea that I feel like we need to try first. And I can actually use your help getting the tarp moved and maybe getting them ready to... we're going to have to soak them overnight, so we won't be able to try it today. But at least we can... yeah, okay, well, we'll get you back over here and we'll see what happens then. But anyway, if you can help me move that tarp, we'll see what we can do, okay?
Okay.
All right. What we're going to do is explain to the people. I want you to get on this side, and I'll get over here on this side. And grab those elastic lines. So we're going to try and fold that tarp back. Well, I need to go about 4 or 5 feet with it. Not too far, really, okay? All right. Now, my question is, you remember what happened the last time you helped me move a tarp on Pearl?
Yep.
You did. It was this. Pull it off. So, I feel obligated to warn you. I just noticed there's one little puddle of water right up here on this corner, about that big.
Oh, which side?
My side. That's why I'm putting you on that side.
Good. I don't want to get wet.
Come on, let's go. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's see if we can pull it back. Okay, whoa. I think we're good. All right.
Okay.
Well, you know, that actually went better than I thought it would go.
Mine's a little bit farther back, but that's
That's okay. All right. Cool. Now, the fun part. Get up.
There are a lot of crunches on this.
Yeah. Okay. So, here we are. These nice little covers on there to keep them from carrying the tarp. Unfortunately, moving the tarp pulled 3 of them off. One of them's gone completely. But anyway.
1, 2. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It is the first.
Anyway, these are the bolts.
There's a spider. You just grabbed it. There it goes.
There it goes. Run away.
Don't get on any other ones, and I will have to get on.
Since you are so much smaller than me and lighter weight, I'm gonna let you get these 2 that are further up. See right here in the middle where that line is? That's a bar. So if you stay on that, keep your weight on that, and you can see the crossbars too here. And that way you don't have to worry about the ceiling. It's not going to fall with you anyway, but you'll feel a little more secure doing it that way. You're doing good. All right, coat those good. I mean, just soak them down.
Okay, there we go.
Well, Abigator, I think this is about all we can do today. I need to let these things soak overnight. And you're WD-40. Yeah, take that over here. And there you go.
Ow! And then I hit it with the other
All
one.
right. Yeah, I thought that would help you a little bit.
I did, but then the other one.
Bye. We're going down. Bye. And we're back. I don't have my helper today, but we are going to check these bolts and just see if we did any good with the solvent we sprayed yesterday. All right. Now, I brought the solvent along, and I have no idea what size these bolts are. So I brought a nice assortment of wrenches, plus something that's adjustable, just so we'll have every inevitability, every possible action covered. I am closest to this. Let's see what happens. It's not a 13 millimeter, nor a 14. About a 5/8. Oh, we're real close there. I think it's going to be about a 15 millimeter, which is the one size I did not bring with me. Let's try the adjustable wrench. And just see if that'll move it any. It's moving the entire thing. Which is not going to help me any, because like I said, these are carriage bolts. So I've really got no way to secure them at the bottom. Even if I had another person here with me, there's nothing to hold on to except the bolt itself. And I don't think that we can hold it firmly enough for that nut to come off. Okay, this is just one. Let's try this one over here. See what it does. It's not moving at all. Let me go see if I have a, I can find a 15 millimeter or 16 millimeter wrench. Don't go away. Okay, I got a couple of deep sockets I want to try. That one quite easily turns the whole thing. This one's turning. I got a feeling it's turning the whole thing too. Let's see what happens here. Abby sprayed these. Maybe she did a better job than I did. Okay, this one, the entire assembly, including the washer, is turning. With this one, you'll be able to see the nuts turning, but the entire bolt is. And over here, it's everything. It's the bolt, the nut, and the washer. Hey, we tried the solvent deal. That didn't work. I think the best thing now is to go inside and try to shear off those bolt heads and see if we can't knock these out from the bottom. What I'm going to do is give these one more good spray. Let them soak one more time. All right. Now, here's my deal. Sun's starting to set because I got a late start today. like I told you, it's a busy, busy week. So I also have rain in the forecast for possibly overnight, and certainly by sometime tomorrow. That means I need to pull this tarp back and get it at least fairly back in place to protect Pearl from leaking. So I told you it's going to be an interesting week here on the MT and me. So far it's living up to it. Let's see what happens next. Well, it's the next day. Yeah, it rained. It rained a lot. Things got nice and soaking wet. It's not raining right now, but here's the catch. I'm really out of time. I told you this was a busy week, and we're getting close to festival time. I've got some final preparations that have to be taken care of. I got to get this video ready and get it up and out to you. So that's kind of what it boils down to. So we're going to stop where we are. And where we are is the bolts in the ceiling are just turning in the ceiling. They're not coming undone. So the next step is going to be to go on the inside and cut the heads off and see if we can't push them back up through. But that's going to have to wait until probably next week, and it may be a couple of weeks before you see it, because like I've already told you that our next full feature MT and Me production will be a recap of this week's 53rd annual Armadillo Festival. But I do want to thank you for coming along for the ride. Special thanks to Abby, my grandniece, for coming over and helping me out on this project some. We'll see if we can get her back and maybe help out finishing it out too. And she's actually got some pretty cool ideas for Pearl. You look down below, you'll find a link to the mtandme.com, a link where you can buy me a coffee, the address of our Facebook page, and of course there's a button to subscribe if you have not already, and give me those all important thumbs ups here on this video. Watch us every week for the MT and Me. We'll be looking for you, all right? I love you, Nomies. Thanks again. I'm Russ. Got to get ready for Armadillo Day. So we'll talk later.